Hi, welcome. In this video, we will solve best time to buy and sell stock type 2 asked by companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, Google.
So now let's check out one famous problem, best time to buy and sell stock. So again, if you have not gone through this problem, so I want you to pause the video, go through the problem statement, understand input and output, and then please start. So let's start. So you are given an integer array prices. So here these are the prices where price is I is the price of the given stock, right? So these are the price of the given stock on the ith day. All right. So you can assume like this is 0th day, first day, second day, third day, something like this. On each day, you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. Okay. You can only hold at most one share of the stock at a time. Right. So that is one of the important thing that we can hold only one share. Okay. You can hold at only one share. However, you can buy it, then immediately sell on the same day. Right. We can buy it as well as we can sell it on the same day, and we need to calculate the maximum profit we can achieve, right? So from here we are getting two things, that we can at most hold one share only. Okay. And the second thing, that we can buy and sell stock on the same. So now let's quickly understand how output 4 is coming from the input and output 7 from this example 2. So here we have this as an array len. So let me add all these elements. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And these will be the ith day, you can say. So now you need to calculate the maximum profit. So basically, how we calculate the profit, it's selling price minus cost price, right? So if I want to do this maximum, right, I want to increase the selling price and I want to decrease the cost price. Okay. So now let's see here. If I purchased it at the minimum cost and sell it at the maximum price, okay, I will get the maximum profit. Don't you think? All right. You will get the maximum profit. So, so what we will do, we can purchase at the minimum price, that is one, right? And we can sell it at the maximum price, that is 5. So will that work? Will that really work? Here we are getting a profit of 4 and that is our answer. That is our answer. But will that work in all the cases? We need to think on the edge cases. Let's take one another example. We have 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4, and let's try the same thing here. So these all are ith days. Okay. Let's try the same things here. So if I am finding the minimum, I get 1. And if I am finding the maximum, I am getting 7. Right. The maximum profit, if I calculate, there will be as 7 minus 1. Sorry, 7 minus 1, that will be 6. But 6 is not the answer. Answer is 7. Also, how you can buy on for day 1, but sell at day 0. Okay. We can't sell at day 0 and buy at day 1. Okay. So this is not a real time stock market. Okay. So here short selling concept is not introduced. So we are not going to do any type of short selling. And just I purchased in 7 and then sell it to 1. No. So no short selling concept. Okay. Okay. So this was the one point. Now, second one most important point. So if this is not working, okay, let's suppose you said that it's not working. Okay, what I can do, I will find a price which is greater than day 1, but greater than the day also. So day 1 se zyada and greater than the price also. So one greater than 1 and price is also greater. So if I simply check out here, I will get this day on day 4, the price is maximum 6. right? So if I am taking this, what maximum I will get? 6 minus 1, that is 5. But still, the answer is 7, not 5. So this is also not correct. Now let's see why this is not correct, because we have done the same, right? We hold it for 1 day and we checked it, we sell it at the maximum price, and also our days are also different, right? Greater than the previous day that we purchased it. So think it. So let me take the same example and let me create one page here. 715364. So 715364, and let me put the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now let's see here. If I'm not doing this thing, right, the previous thing that I was getting an answer of 5, right? If I'm not doing this thing, is there any other way, right? Is there any other way to get an profit of 7? Let's check it. So here I'm getting 7. Okay. So that may be the maximum price. What I will do, I will purchase at 1, right? And I will sell on the next day, right? So what will the profit I will get here? Profit I will get here 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay. Now what I will do, again I will purchase it at 3, right? And sell it on the next day, that is 6. So 3 minus, sorry, 6 minus 3, that will be 3 only. Okay. So we are getting a total profit of 4 plus 3, that is 7, and that is our answer. This is how it is working. This is how we are getting an output of 7. So yeah, here is the trick. Here is one thing that we have not mentioned it, that you can check the value of the price of the next day, right? Suppose I have a liberty, right? So let me you understand here. Okay, what type of liberty I have? So 715364. So the thing that I have is I can check on the next day price, and I can buy it or sell it on the same day, right? So that means I can purchase on 5, but I can check, okay, the next day is 3, so I won't purchase it. I can check, okay, let's buy it 3, the next day is 6, I will get a profit. Yes, this is allowed. This we can do. Okay, this was not mentioned, but yeah, this is one of the things that you can do. You can purchase it and you will get, and you can take an action on the checking of the next day. Okay, next day is possible. So how we are going to solve it? So basically, what we will do, we can like buy and sell on the same day, right? That was given in the question, that buy and sell stock can done in the same day. So what we will do, we will purchase it. Okay, we will take 7. Okay, and we will check, is on the next day, am I going to be a profit? No. All right. On the next day, I'm not going to be a profit. I will make a loss. So what I will do, I will sell on the same day. Right. Now what I will do, I will purchase on 1 and I will check, am I going in profit in the next day? In the next day, yes, I am going in profit. So what I will do, I won't sell it. I will sell it here. So here I will get a profit of 4 rupees, whatever it is. And then what I will do, I will again purchase it on the same day. Right. Once I sold it, I will again purchase it. Right. And I will check, is, am I going to be a profit on the same day? 3, like on the next day, 3? No. So I will sell this too. I will sell it basically. Then again, what I will do, I will take 3 and I will purchase it and I will check, am I going in profit? Yes, I'm going in profit. So I will hold it and I will sell on the next day. Then again, I will purchase it, because there is a possibility. See, here is 4, but there is a possibility that there can be 10, right? There is a possibility, right? So what I will do, if even I am selling it at 6, 3 minus 6, even I am selling it, I am getting 3. But what I will do, I will again purchase it, because if I purchase it and sell it here, what will be the profit I will get? I will get more 4 profit. So when I am getting a liberty to buy and sell on the same day, why I am not purchasing it, right? So I can purchase it. But unfortunately here 10 is not mentioned. Here 4 is mentioned. So what I will do, I will sell on the same day, all right? And I will basically not purchase it. And yeah, that will be the last call, right? We won't move, because if even if I am purchasing on 4, I need to sell on the same day, right? So this is how you can understand we are getting a profit of 4 plus 3, that is 7. Okay. let me make you a complete understanding here. So what we can do, let's use B and S to buy and sell, right? So I will basically buy at 7, but I am checking that on the next day I will make a loss, so I will sell it also. Then I will buy it and I can check, okay, on the next day I am getting a profit, so I will sell on the next day. Okay. Then after selling, again I will buy it, right? And I can see on the next day I am getting again loss, right? I will get a loss. So what I will do, I will sell it to, right? I will sell it to. Now here I will come, right? I will buy it and I can see on the next day I am getting a profit. So I will sell it, right? And after selling, again I will buy it. I can see on the next day I am getting a loss. So what I will do, I will sell it to, right? And on the next day I will buy it, but I don't have the next day, right? So I will sell it this to. So you can see here you have buyed it by, let's make a buy option as this red pen. So you have buyed it, you sell it, you again buy it, but you checked it that you are encountering a loss. So you again sell it here. Then you have buyed it on the profit. So you can see I am getting only single buy option only if the next day's profit, right? If the next day is profit. So that means how we are calculating a profit. So I can simply check if my buy minus sell, okay, or sell minus buy. If my sell minus buy is going to be greater than 0, that means I am making a profit. So what type of action I will do? I will basically buy. Okay. And if my selling minus buy is not going to give me a profit, it is going to a less. So what I will do, I will suppose if I accidentally buy it, what I will do, I will sell it immediately. So here you can see if I have buyed it, I have sold it immediately. If I have buyed it, I have sold it immediately. Okay. So this is how it works, right? This is how we can solve this question using only one iterations. Okay. And the time complexity will also be big of n. Let me give you a bit more idea how we are going to proceed with this and then we will start implementing it. So 715 and 364, and let me put indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And what I will do, I will simply start it my iteration. Suppose this is my ith element. I will start it my iteration. And what I will do, I will assume my minimum is equals to the first day price. So I am buying on the first day. So let's start our iteration from day one, right? Because the first day though I am purchasing it, right? I am buying it. So no worries, it will be like on next day sell or loss. I will just purchasing. So I will simply check it AR of minimum. I will take that this is the minimum price. Okay. Now what I will do, I will calculate the profit. I will profit calculate, and what will be my profit? That is AR of I minus minimum. Now tell me, is this is greater than 0? Is it greater than 0 or less than 0? It is less than 0. So what I will do, I will basically update my minimum. Now I will say I won't buy it on this day. I will buy the ith element, right? So that is I will buy at 1. So this will be my 1 now. Okay. Now once I buy it here, okay, again I will check ARR of I minus minimum. Now your ARR of I will be this one, right? Are you making a profit? Yes, you are making a profit. So what I will do, I will book the profit. So profit will be ARR of my I minus minimum. So I will simply do 5 minus 1, that is will be 4. Okay. And after this, again what I will do, I will change my minimum to the next ith element. So I will purchase that 5. So this will also change my minimum. Again my I will move. I will check, am I going to be making a profit? 3 minus minimum, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5. Okay, that is less than 0, right? You are not making a profit. What I will do, again, I won't do anything. I will simply sold it and I will buy it at 3, right? I will buy it at the ith place and my I pointer will move. Again, 6 minus minimum, here or 5 minus minimum, 6 minus 3, you are making a profit. Yes. So what I will do, I will simply add the next profit. What is 6 minus 3? So that will be 7 now. Okay. Now again what I will do, I will update my minimum. Now minimum will be 6, right? Because the next day can be 10, right? So I am again making this minimum. Again, I will check, okay, if ARR of I minus minimum, 4 minus 6, no, I am making a loss. So what I will do, I will simply buy it at 4, right? And here this is basically end, right? So I reach to the limit n, that is the size of the array. And this is how you can solve this question only with simple single traversal, right? So basically your program is depending on the input size of the array, right? So here the time complexity again will be big of n, and we are not taking any extra space here, right? Only the variables. So the space complexity will be big of y, right? So now let's see how we can code this out. Basically, whatever the things I have written here only, I will make the code of it, right? So there will be profit, minimum. I will always start from 1 to n, and minimum equals to ER. So now let's check out the our code implementation part of it.